this filter. But anyways, it's gonna be 12 o'clock. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys at 12 o'clock. I'm gonna quickly show you guys the decorations we have for Christmas this year, and it's awesome. So guys, this is our Christmas preparations for this year. Here's the tree, and here's the crib. This is super awesome, guys. This year it looks really gorgeous than usual, and I love this ball kind of stuff here. Yeah, this is so cool. So guys, it's 12 o'clock and Merry Christmas! It's 12 o'clock at midnight, by the way. So yeah, I like this filter. This looks good. This is a new filter. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, I'm really tired because there's a party here tonight and stuff. Yeah, so then I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.
The next morning.
Hi, let's wake up. Wake up. Wake up right now.
No, it's too early. Honestly, go away. Ah! What is wrong with you? Let me sleep.
Oh.
Oh, what is up with you?
It's time to shoot a video.
Oh, I forgot, but why did you wake me up this early? It's only 8 o'clock. Wait, it's 8 o'clock. Okay, fine. I forgot. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'll brush my teeth and stuff. And thank you, Avni, for waking me up. And yeah, I'll be right back. Why are you filming?
Simply.
Hi. So guys, we're drinking chocolate milk. Yay! Yes, cheers. Since Avani had this one on, I decided to put this hat on. And guys, this is just a simple vlog, so don't mind the background sounds and stuff. It will be there. And yeah, I don't know why my mother speaks too loud on the phones. And then I'll see you guys afterwards. This is a collab with Enat Dots, and I'll tell you guys where and when the collab is and stuff. But not right now, you have to watch to find out. So guys, it's 8:35 here. And it's not time to eat breakfast yet. We might eat breakfast at 9 o'clock or something. So yeah, we have free time till that time. So yeah, me and Avni are gonna go do something. Yeah, so we'll be right back. So guys, it's 9:10 and we're gonna go eat breakfast. And today what we have for breakfast is kappa biryani, and it's my favorite. And for those of you all who doesn't know what kappa biryani is, it is just like it's just like tapioca mixed with beef, I guess. Yeah, that seasoned with a lot of spices and stuff, but it's really tasty. And yeah, shout out to all the mallus out there who might know what kappa biryani is. So yeah, and Avani is having appam and beef curry. Yeah. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So guys, we just ate breakfast and we were pretty bored, so we thought why not try to do some makeup looks. So today we'll be doing the Rudolph makeup look. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we'll be filming the Rudolph makeup look on TikTok because I don't want this video to be very long. So yeah, I'm really sorry, but I'll show you guys a picture of it. I actually did a Grinch makeup look too. It'll be on TikTok. I can't share that TikTok right now because it could get copyrighted. So that's why I'm really sorry. But check out my TikTok to take a look at the makeup look, the Grinch makeup look, and the reindeer makeup look. So yeah, then we'll be back. So guys, this is the reindeer look, and we are so in love with this. This is so cute. We did Rudolph as an inspiration. So yeah, then we're gonna remove this and probably go and watch something or do something. But we'll tell you guys. So guys, we're done with removing the makeup, and I'm really sad I had to remove that because that was really cute, but I had to. Anyways, it's 11:40 here, and yeah, I have some editing and stuff to do, so I'll just quickly do that and I'll be right back. So guys, we were just watching TV for some time and we're done, and it's 12:30 right now. I had some editing to do, I finished that, and yeah, so we have to go for a party at Ina Dot's house. So yeah, we're gonna go get ready. And I also told you guys I'll tell what the collab was about. It is actually the party part. I'll film it. You can see the whole of the party on my channel, that is in this video. But the preparation of the sweets and the food and everything will be on Ina Dot's channel. To check the first half of this video, make sure to check her channel out. So yeah, well, that's it. So we're gonna go get ready and we'll be right back. Hi. So guys, I'm here with Ina Dots, the one and only Vivina. Hi. So I've been looking forward for this collab since a very long time. Like literally, when I planned this video, I was like, oh my god, no, I want to do this today. Like literally, I was waiting for this collab. And filming this video was really fun.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah, it was actually fun. This whole Christmas season was fun actually.
Yeah, it's true. So the party and the food, everything was amazing. Nice job. So how was the preparation of the food, the sweets and everything? Depending on how it tastes awesome. So I'm guessing you took a lot of time and stuff.
Actually, I enjoyed preparing all this because I'm here after a long time. So, and I posted videos of this in my channel. So don't forget to check it out. Don't forget.
Okay, so link in description. Make sure to check her channel out. She makes awesome and super funny videos. So make sure to check it out. Okay, so why I asked you to sit here is because I want to record your genuine reaction after you drink that paisam.
Oh, why? Because your mom made it?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now drink it.
Whoa. Whoa, did you drink it?
Nope, I didn't.
Why?
I'm not into paisam. It's pasta.
It's actually yum.
It's pasta pradaman.
Pasta Pradaman.
Yep.
Oh,
So guys, my phone's probably gonna die soon. It's at 1%. So yeah, I'll see you guys at home, I guess, and bye. So guys, we're going back home and we're pretty tired and it's really windy and cold. So yeah, I'll see you guys at home. So guys, we're back from the party and we changed, but I'm not removing my makeup right now. When I'm taking a shower, I'll just remove it because I'm too lazy to remove it right now. So yeah, now what we're planning is we're planning on watching the Miraculous Ladybug Christmas special. I've been looking forward to watching it since December started. When I planned this video, I was like, okay, don't watch it because then afterwards if you might lose interest on that day. So then I waited so long to watch it. So yeah, here we finally are. Actually, we planned to watch it in the morning, but we couldn't. Yeah, we couldn't because we were pretty busy and stuff. And yeah, we had a lot of other things planned too, like painting our nails, putting on face masks, but we didn't have time for any of that, and we also forgot. I had some editing and shooting and stuff to do. So yeah, but it's fine now. Since the rest of the time we have, I'm trying to spend it in a fun way as possible. So yeah, then let's see. So guys, we are all set towards the Christmas special. I am so excited. We are not only watching Christmas special, we are watching some episodes too. Mainly the Christmas special, then what are we watching? Christmaster. Yeah, Christmaster, then Frozen, then Star Trek. Mainly these 4 episodes we'll be watching it. I'm really excited, and yeah, all the Miraculous Ladybug fans know what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're all ready. So guys, we are all set to watch the Christmas special with the blanket, the pillows and everything. But I can't show you guys any scenes or anything because it might get copyrighted. So yay! So guys, I'm back and it's 8:45. We finished watching some episodes of Miraculous Ladybug, and yeah, we were just sitting simply, and then we had some guests, so I couldn't film. So yeah, now I'm gonna go take a shower and remove the makeup and everything, and I'll be right back. So as she's going, you want help? Okay. So bye, I'll miss you.
Bye.
Bye. I had really fun shooting with you. Thank you for helping me shoot. Okay, bye. So guys, it's 9:15 right now, and I took a lot of time because Ami went in between, and then yeah, I take a lot of time to shower. So guys, look who came, the cutest baby. Patu, say hi. 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 Patu, hi bara. Patu, hi bara. Hi. Hi. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did like it, then let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to join my world of beats and push the notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and yeah, comment down below what type of video I should do next. And yeah, so till we meet, #beatson, and good night.